Hello everyone, I am Gagan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay राजे, आज आप क्यू कार्ड करांगे, ठीक है. The क्यू कार्ड नेम is describe something that saves your time. ठीक है, कोई आप ऐसी चीज़ डिस्क्राइब करनी है जिससे नाल कि अपना टाइम सेव होया होवे. ठीक है. You should say what it is और की है, when you usually do it. तुसी कदों यूज़ करते हो, ठीक है, की करते हो. Why do you do it? तुसी क्यों करते हो. And explain why you think it saves your time. And ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਸ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸੇਵ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਨਾਓ ਲੈਟਸ ਮੂਵ ਟੂ ਦੀ ਆਨਸਰ. ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ well, in this fast paced world, everyone is running short on time and different people adopt different strategies to save their time. What it is, वो की है, ठीक है. Here I would like to share one thing that I do to better manage my time or something that saves a lot of time of mine. The fact is that I'm quite a shopaholic as I love to wear new outfits, footwear and accessories all the time. कि मैं न्यू आउटफिट्स वेयर करने ज़्यादा पसंद है, फुटवेयर वेयर करनी ज़्यादा पसंद है, या ज़्यादा accessories नू लेना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. ठीक है. When do you usually do it? But some time ago, on my friend's recommendation, I have started to buy things online. He introduced me to Amazon, which is an amazing platform where I can buy almost anything. The great thing about Amazon is that it has a huge variety. We can buy branded, non-branded, local, and at the same time, international products sitting at the comfort of our homes. As a result, now I don't have to travel to different places for shopping on the weekends. When do you do it? Unfortunately, I live in an area where there are no good markets or places to buy things. For that reason, earlier I had to travel to a nearby city with my friends or family on weekends to buy the things that I want. The city Ludhiana is around 100 kilometers from my hometown. So this way I used to waste around 4 hours just traveling to this place, which used to make my shopping experience quite uncomfortable and tiring. And explain why you think it saves your time. The best part about buying things online is that if I don't like the product that is delivered, I can get it replaced effortlessly. As a result, now I can spend my weekends in a more productive manner. So in conclusion, you can say, overall, this one thing has definitely saved a lot of time, and I highly recommend others who find shopping a time-consuming activity to consider buying things online. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly subscribe my channel for the next videos and for latest cue cards.